Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on MEXC. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, you have to make sure you are at the home page and also make sure your account is verified and is updated, so you'll be able to carry out transaction. And what you have to do is for you to go over to wallet. You can see it at the right corner at the down side, and go over to wallet. And the next step you have to take is for you to go over to deposits and go over to, you're going to see quick buy / sell and go over to it, and it's loading. And over here, this is where you can buy USDT, and this is where you can also sell your USDT. And you have to make sure that the option here should be at the buy area side, and over here you have to choose the country which you are. Yes, you have to choose it, and we are in US, Canada, India, any country you are. You have to put in your country. So I'm in Nigeria, and you're going to put the amount which you want. We're showing the amount of USDT. So in 20,000 naira, the amount of USDT to be received is $13. So let me go over to buy USDT. So this is the amount here, and if you go over to pay, you're going to confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you'll be able to buy USDT on MEXC. This is the order created, and when you go over to pay and you are going to confirm your transaction, you're going to send in the screenshots of your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you'll be able to buy USDT on MEXC exchange. I hope I'll be able to show you how to buy USDT on MEXC exchange. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.